If you're looking for a completely free streaming service with live TV and on demand entertainment, Xumo Play is one of the best options available in 2026. It offers hundreds of live channels, thousands of free movies and TV shows, local news, sports, kids programming, and much more, all without requiring a paid subscription or long term commitment. In this guide, I'll show you everything you need to know about Xumo Play. Let's get started. The best thing about Xumo Play is that it's completely free. You don't need a cable subscription, and on many supported devices, you don't even need to create an account to start watching. Simply install the app or visit the website, and you'll have access to a huge library of live and on demand entertainment. One of Xumo Play's biggest strengths is its live TV lineup. The platform offers more than 300 live channels covering news, movies, comedy, sports, documentaries, lifestyle, music, kids programming, classic TV, reality shows, and much more. New channels are added regularly, so the selection continues to grow over time. Besides live television, Xumo Play also includes a large collection of on demand content. You can browse thousands of free movies and TV shows across a wide variety of genres, including action, comedy, drama, horror, family entertainment, and documentaries. This makes Xumo Play a great option, whether you want to watch something live or stream a movie whenever you have time. The interface is simple and easy to navigate. You can browse by category, explore the live TV guide, save your favorite channels, and quickly discover new content based on your interests. Everything is organized to help you start watching within seconds. Xumo Play is available on a wide range of devices. You can stream using web browsers, Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Android TV, Google TV, Apple TV, Samsung Smart TVs, Vizio Smart TVs, Android phones, iPhones, and many other compatible streaming devices. Like most free streaming services, Xumo Play is supported by advertisements. You'll see occasional commercial breaks during both live channels and on demand content, but there are no monthly subscription fees or hidden costs. It's also important to know that content availability varies by country. Some channels, movies, and local news stations are only available in certain regions due to licensing agreements, so your content library may be different depending on where you live. So, is Xumo Play worth using in 2026? Absolutely. If you're looking for a legal and completely free streaming service with hundreds of live channels and thousands of on demand titles, Xumo Play is one of the best choices available. It's easy to use, works on almost every major streaming device, and provides hours of entertainment without requiring a subscription. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below telling us your favorite free streaming service.